Let's take another look at the old turkey Bitcoin. Alright guys, we are looking at the daily chart for Bitcoin, and the data I have is 2:09 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on January the 7th. After this major flash crash, Bitcoin continues to be extremely volatile. Early this morning, price dipped all the way down to almost 40,000. Now it bounced up a little bit and it's trading at just a hair over 42,000, but still down almost 2.5%. Like I mentioned in my prior video that I uploaded yesterday, we expect the price to be volatile for at least another few days, because normally after this major crash, you always have nervous people that just wanted to get out, and that magnifies the selling pressure. A close examination of how the price is behaving from the beginning of December until now, it is very much reminding me of the same pattern that occurred around the September timeframe. Bitcoin was trending up. Then we have this flash crash. The price bounced up, stabilized, and tried to run up, but get rejected the minute it tested its prior high. Pull back and the price broke down. Then it retested this prior low. More selling pressure caused the price to drop further, but then it found support right at this area, which is between the 39.5 and 42,000. The price stabilized, and after that began the bullish reversal. And it seems like Bitcoin is repeating the same pattern right now. There was this major flash crash. The price then bounced up, stabilized, tried to run up, but got rejected at 52,000, where it tested this prior high. Pullback, broke down, and then at this point it retested this prior low. More selling pressure caused the price to dip further. Right now it is in the support zone. Again, is between the 39.5 and 42,000. So how Bitcoin likely do within the next 24-48 hours? Let's take a look at Bitcoin in this 15-minute chart. Right at this point, Bitcoin fell to cross over this prior high, and after that the price broke down. We had this flash crash where Bitcoin dropped from about 47,000 all the way down to 42,000. Stabilized, more selling pressure. The price broke. So Bitcoin was setting up this lower low and higher low. So if we connect these two low points and then extend it up to create a downward channel. Now our downward channel cover all the high low points as well as the low points. So this is confirming right now Bitcoin is oscillating within this downward channel. So what we need is for Bitcoin to be able to break away from this downward channel. And to do that, it needs to cross over. But then right after that, at 42.7, that is going to be another major resistance. So we need Bitcoin to be able to cross over at. So the key price for me right now is to see Bitcoin stabilize over 42.7. If Bitcoin could do that, then that could be the beginning of this reversal in price. But in reality, for the next 24-48 hours, given the fact that we just had this flash crash, there are still a lot of selling pressure. We are starting to see buying support. As you can see, the buy volume is getting more, but it's more likely that the minute Bitcoin run up and tests the resistance of this downward channel, it would likely get rejected. And we could see something in which Bitcoin retests this low. The price could break down and test the support of this downward channel at around the 40,000 area. At that point, I expect buyers step in. The price would then run up, stabilize, and then make another effort to retest the resistance, and then very likely would be able to cross over and stabilize over 42.7. Let's look at Bitcoin on this daily chart. The stochastic oscillator is definitely showing that Bitcoin right now is in this way oversold area. But given the fact we just had this flash crash, the next few days, I expect Bitcoin to trade very volatile. And there's a very high probability that the price would touch the low at around the 40,000 before it bounced up, stabilize at my target price of 42.7 sometime next week. Stabilizing at this would confirm this sort of reversal in price that I am predicting. Even though we are looking at this very nasty head and shoulder pattern, I don't expect to see the price breakdown of this neckline, because a breakdown, then we're looking at the possibility for Bitcoin to drop even lower than the prior low set during the bear market. So right now, Bitcoin is looking scary, but I am still expecting Bitcoin to recover and then trend much higher during this first quarter of 2022. That's it for this video, and don't forget to click that like button and reward me with a like if you appreciate the content that I'm presenting. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe, and make sure you turn notification on. And if you have Twitter, make sure you follow me at Vietmaxim, because I provide constant update on all of our favorite cryptos.